Mona na aba kwanchwa na oka na asem de anu wo hwe oda work kansem nto ya won face banin chem aka then that I was suffer Salifu Amoako hwe UTV because another some boy do no response was be
accident. For me, I don't think so they see an accident.
I know they.
That's murder.
I know suffer we na chapter dem na one man reply ya na because this reply or you're not so for paying.
And another one will do it. And then part of the day, that is mother. Then I say that it is my name. Because of my name, that's what this thing is being everywhere. If this class you have engaged yourself in Okada accidents, Okada engaged Christian police. I'm going to mention it. How can I do it? Nobody talk about it. Let yourself from that because of me, having seen my name.
At this moment, the best you can do for yourself is to keep quiet.
Read the definition of accident. This is highly intentional.
Waka moje gufomo. Oye den na samenye de. Nti osofo pocho be ya kawano pado.
All be lie. If it's set up.